Artificial intelligence is developing at an extraordinary pace, transforming how we live, work, and interact with the world. From AI assistants that help us manage our daily tasks to groundbreaking advancements in healthcare, education, and creative arts, the possibilities seem limitless. But with this rapid evolution comes an important question. Is AI purely a force for good, or are there dangers we need to consider? Welcome back to another iDaily Buzz special. AI has already made significant leaps forward. Today, it powers self-driving cars, generates realistic voices and images, helps diagnose diseases, and even creates art. But this is just the beginning. As AI continues to advance, we'll see more powerful systems that can understand and interact with the world in ways that resemble human intelligence or even surpass it. In the next decade, AI is expected to become more autonomous, capable of making decisions without human oversight. Systems will improve in natural language understanding, making them more conversational and context-aware. Imagine AI assistants that not only manage your schedule but also provide thoughtful advice based on your habits, mood, and preferences. On a larger scale, AI will play a critical role in solving global problems. It could analyze massive datasets to combat climate change, optimize energy usage, and develop new medical treatments. With companies and governments investing heavily in AI research, its capabilities will continue to grow exponentially. The benefits AI offers are enormous. One of its greatest strengths lies in its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data faster than any human ever could. This makes it a powerful tool in areas like healthcare, where AI can detect diseases early, predict outbreaks, and personalize treatments for patients. Education is another field that stands to benefit. AI-powered platforms can adapt to each student's learning style, providing personalized lessons that make education more accessible and engaging. Whether it's helping children in remote areas or assisting adults in upskilling, AI has the potential to bridge gaps in knowledge and opportunity. In industries like agriculture and logistics, AI is already optimizing processes to save time, reduce waste, and increase efficiency. Farmers use AI to monitor crop health, while supply chains rely on it to predict and address disruptions. Even in creative fields, AI empowers artists, writers, and musicians by generating ideas and assisting with repetitive tasks, freeing up more time for innovation. Perhaps most exciting is AI's potential to tackle challenges that seem insurmountable today. From developing sustainable energy solutions to predicting and mitigating natural disasters, AI could be a critical ally in creating a better future. However, the rapid growth of AI comes with significant risks. One of the most pressing concerns is its impact on jobs. As AI systems become more capable, they are increasingly taking over tasks once performed by humans. Jobs in manufacturing, retail, transportation, and even creative industries are at risk of automation. While AI will create new roles, they often require specialized skills, leaving many workers unprepared to transition. Privacy and surveillance are also major issues. AI systems collect and analyze vast amounts of data, raising concerns about how this information is used. From targeted advertising to government surveillance, the misuse of AI-driven data could lead to a loss of personal freedom and autonomy. There's also the issue of bias in AI. Because AI systems learn from existing data, they can inherit and amplify human prejudices. For example, facial recognition systems have been shown to be less accurate for certain demographics, leading to ethical and social concerns about fairness and accountability. Lastly, the rise of autonomous AI systems poses existential risks. As AI becomes more powerful, there's the potential for it to act in ways that are unpredictable or even harmful. Without proper regulation and oversight, advanced AI systems could be exploited for malicious purposes, such as cyberattacks, disinformation campaigns, or even autonomous weaponry. To ensure AI develops in a way that benefits humanity while minimizing its risks, striking a balance between innovation and regulation is essential. Governments, companies, and researchers must work together to create ethical frameworks and guidelines that prioritize safety, transparency, and fairness. Regulation must not stifle innovation but should act as a guardrail to ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed responsibly. These guidelines should address critical areas such as accountability for AI-driven decisions, protection against misuse, and the ethical treatment of data and individuals. Education and reskilling will be critical to prepare the workforce for a future where AI plays a central role. Schools and training programs must focus on teaching skills that AI can't easily replicate, such as creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking. Additionally, fostering an understanding of AI technology itself will be vital. Basic AI literacy should become a part of standard education to ensure that individuals understand how these systems work, their potential impacts, and how to interact with them effectively. For workers displaced by automation, accessible reskilling programs should be prioritized. These programs can equip individuals with technical skills like programming or AI system management, enabling them to transition into emerging roles in the AI-driven economy. Developers must also take responsibility for creating AI systems that are inclusive and unbiased. By ensuring diverse representation in AI development teams and datasets, we can build systems that serve everyone fairly. Bias in AI systems often stems from biased data, so prioritizing diversity in data collection is essential to avoid perpetuating existing inequalities. Collaboration with ethicists, sociologists, and representatives from underrepresented communities can help ensure that AI systems are designed with a broader range of perspectives in mind. Robust cybersecurity measures and data protection laws are also essential to safeguard privacy and security. AI systems often rely on massive amounts of personal data to function effectively, but this reliance introduces vulnerabilities. Strong encryption, regular audits, and rigorous security protocols must become standard practice in AI development. Governments should enforce strict data protection laws to prevent misuse or unauthorized access to sensitive information. At the same time, companies must adopt transparent policies about how data is collected, stored, and used, ensuring that users remain in control of their personal information. Public engagement is another crucial component of responsible AI development. AI impacts everyone, so it's essential to involve the public in conversations about its future. Governments and organizations should create platforms where citizens can voice their concerns, ask questions, and learn about the technologies shaping their lives. Encouraging open dialogue helps build trust and ensures that AI policies reflect the values and priorities of society as a whole. International collaboration will also be necessary to manage the global implications of AI. AI technologies do not recognize borders, and their development and deployment can have worldwide consequences. Countries must work together to establish global standards and share best practices. By fostering international cooperation, we can ensure that AI development benefits humanity collectively, while mitigating the risks of misuse or competition-driven escalation. In addition to addressing immediate concerns, we must think long-term about AI's role in society. This includes considering how AI can be integrated into systems that enhance public welfare. For example, AI could be leveraged to improve access to healthcare, education, and environmental protection. Governments and private organizations can prioritize research and development in areas where AI can have the greatest positive impact, ensuring that the technology contributes to solving humanity's most pressing challenges. The future of AI is both exciting and uncertain. It holds the potential to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges, from improving healthcare and education to combating climate change. At the same time, it raises complex questions about jobs, privacy, bias, and even the role of humans in a world increasingly influenced by machines. As we move forward, it's crucial to approach AI development with both optimism and caution. By embracing its benefits while addressing its risks, we can shape a future where AI truly serves humanity. The decisions we make today will determine whether AI becomes a force for progress or a source of division. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Here, we explore the latest and most exciting trends in AI tools, offering tips, reviews, and insights to help you make the most of these incredible technologies. Whether you're a developer, a content creator, or simply curious about the world of AI, this channel has something for you. And be sure to click the notification bell so you never miss an update on the fascinating advancements shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring what AI can do. See you in the next video.